Hey, what's up, you guys? Yes, today we're making ristretto quad latte. Shout out to Boca Java for those sweet, sweet beans. Measure out 7 to 9 grams per shot. I want 4, so 28 will do. Grind and grind. And grind some more. That espresso's gotta be real fine. Measure it again. You'll need something to tamp. This definitely isn't a wine cork Gorilla glued to a candle lid. Switch your scale to pounds and bam!
Anyways.
This attachment helps the espresso drip in 2 steady streams. We love him. Fill the well with filtered water. Oh, and if you're using a manual machine, please leave it on steam until it's fully heated. You can always brew into this cute little espresso pot. I don't know if they make machines like this anymore. My parents were gifted this man like 20 years ago. He fits right under the portafilter and collects the espresso that sprays chaotically in any direction. Personally, I preferred this attachment. It's why I bought shot glasses. Pour some amount of milk, who really knows, and just heat it in the microwave until it feels right. Should be about 150 degrees, but although you can hear me looking for a thermometer, I didn't end up finding it. Alright, that's all I have for you guys today. Be sure to unsubscribe, unfollow on my social media, leave a hate comment and a dislike. Bye!